Dear students, today I'm gonna start our new chapter number 4 with the new concepts acid, base, and the salts. As we all know that there are wide varieties of material around us that differ from one another in their color, odor, taste, physical state, and other property. We often use such property to classify substance and material into different categories. Some materials like lemon, vinegar, and tamarind have a sour taste, and this material taste sour due to the presence of chemicals called acid. So, as we know, the acid are sour in taste. Beyond this, a acid can turn blue litmus paper into red, and whenever it dissolves in water, it releases H ions along with that. And the base is bitter in taste, have soapy touch, turns red litmus to blue, and give OH ions whenever it dissolves in water, like sodium hydroxide, that is NaOH, potassium hydroxide, KOH. And whenever the acid and base are combined, it forms salt, and this reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. So the salt are formed by the neutralization reaction between the acid and the base. For example, magnesium sulfate, that is MgSO4. Now the acid and base can be identified not only through their taste but also with the help of substance called indicator. An indicator is a substance which show different color in an acidic and basic medium. The color of the indicator can thus help to identifying acid and the base. And there is a paper which are known as the litmus paper, which are used for as a indicator of the to identify the acid and the base. The acid are classified into two categories. One is mineral acid, second is the organic acid. The mineral acid are which are prepared from the mineral present in the earth are called the mineral acid. For example, hydrochloric acid, HCl, nitric acid, HNO3, phosphoric acid, H3PO4, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and the boric acid, HTBO3. Now the term for the organic acid. The acid which are naturally occurring and are found in plant and the animals are called the organic acid. Many fruits and vegetables contain organic acid. For example, orange, lemon, and amla contain citric acid. Guava contain oxalic acid. Grapes, tamarind, and gooseberries contain tartaric acid. The sour milk also contain lactic acid, and the vinegar contain acetic acid. We can differentiate easily the mineral acid and the organic acid. The mineral acid are acid that are derived from the inorganic compound, whereas the organic acid are the organic compound having acidic property. The mineral acid most have a known biological origin such as mineral source, and the organic acid most have a biological origin. A mineral acid most dissolve well in water, but the organic acid does not dissolve in water. A mineral acid most are strong acid, but a organic acid are a typical weak acid. There are some bases which are insoluble in water, but there are some base whoever easily soluble in water. The soluble base is known as the alkalis, like sodium hydroxide NaOH, potassium hydroxide KOH, zinc oxide ZNO, etc. Now the term for the neutralization and formation of the salt. A chemical reaction between an acid and a base is known as the neutralization reaction. When such a reaction takes place, water and salt are formed. During neutralization, the acid and base cancel the effect of each other. There are some salts. Salt of sulfuric acid, that is S2SO4, are named as sulfates. Salt of hydrochloric acid, HCl, are named as chlorides, and salt of nitric acid, HNO3, are named as nitrate. Salt of sulfurous acid, S2SO3, are named as sulfide, and salt of carbonic acid, H2CO3, are named as carbonate, and salt of acetic acid, CS3COOH, are named as acetate. The salt is now divided into three categories. One is neutral salt, then acidic salt, then basic salt. The neutral salt, the salts formed by the reaction of a strong acid and with the strong base, are called the neutral salt. For example, sodium chloride is a neutral salt as it is formed by the reaction of strong acid HCl and a strong base NaOH. Now, the acidic salt. The salt formed by the reaction of a strong acid and a weak base are acidic salt. Since HCl is a strong acid and NH4OH is a weak base and NH4Cl is an acidic salt. Now the term for the basic salt. The basic salt are formed by the reaction of a weak acid and a strong base. For example, HC2H3O2 plus NaOH yields to NaC2H3O2 plus HOH. Since HC2H3O2 is a weak acid and NaOH is a strong base, and NaH2H3O2 will be basic salt.